Oh, collectible.
First of all, we are proud to present you with the new capabilities of the Report Wizard. When you are creating a new report, you can now choose two additional scopes: hold item lists and Subcharter flights. The long-anticipated changes to the Sched module has arrived. When you are creating a new schedule version, you can now choose a client. Given client will be then assigned to all flights from this version. And also from now on, when you want to export your schedule to the SSIM, Leon will give you the opportunity to select the desired time period for the export. And if you import a new quotation from Avinode that doesn't specify a tail, Leon will automatically create quotes for every aircraft of a given type in your fleet. We've also improved our integration with the third-party software in the sales panel. If you are using DocuSign, you can now configure additional placeholders for buyer and seller signatures, companies and dates. And if you import a new quotation from Avinode that doesn't specify a tail, Leon will automatically create quotes for every aircraft of a given type in your fleet.
And that's it from Sprint 139. If you want to know more, check our release notes.